Hello everybody, welcome back to another video about Stellar XLM guys. Once again I'm talking about the Stellar XLM price prediction, the Stellar XLM latest update, the Stellar XLM live update guys. So let me show you guys, but before starting this video I request all of you to please subscribe my channel for more news and updates video guys. Now guys, the latest price of Stellar XLM in the market is about 0.337847 USD dollar. That is a right now price of Stellar XLM in the market guys. Other hand, if we talk about the price changes occur, so you can see here that only the last 1 hour, I mean the last 60-minute update is negative, and except of last 60 minutes, the last 1 day, last 1 week changes occurs in the Stellar XLM is negative or positive guys. So that's mean that from a 7 day Stellar XLM is in the positive, is in the jumping mood. So that's really a good news for all of you, also for me, and I'm also feeling very happy due to these positive changes guys. And let me show you the price chart of Stellar XLM. You can see here guys that from 14 September, you can see here, just look here the price chart, that is the last 7 days price chart, and you can see here from 14 September, and still guys Stellar XLM is in the jumping mode guys. In my prediction is like that I believe guys that for a long time, for a 70s, for maybe possibilities that at the last of September Stellar XLM will continue like that jump guys. The changes is about positive 2.44% guys. Everything is going good. I hope you're feeling also good about Stellar XLM guys. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos.